How does Cash App Bitcoin work? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how does Cash App Bitcoin work, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're curious about how Cash App's Bitcoin works, it's very simple. Cash App Bitcoin option will only be available for you once you make sure that you have Bitcoin or maybe you have verified your account. Once you verify your account, you can come to the Bitcoin tab. Before I do anything, if you want to see the price of current Bitcoin, which is per Bitcoin, you'll see at my current time when I'm making this video, it is $41,730.42, which means $41,731.23, which is USD in this case. Now after that, if you want to buy Bitcoin, right, you can tap on buy Bitcoin and you can enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. And after entering a payment method, if you want to get paid in Bitcoin, you can tap on get paid in Bitcoin option. You can get a cash card to get paid in Bitcoin, or you can deposit Bitcoin to your address. So if you have verified it, you'll find a Bitcoin address. Because I haven't verified it, I'm not being able to see this. Now you can also order your cash card if you want. This way the Bitcoin is going to work on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.